Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tola. If you're coming across my video for the first time, please do well to like, share and subscribe. In this particular tutorial, we'll be making a square neck corset top. If this is what you're interested in learning, please sit back, relax, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing we're going to be doing is to rule our shoulder line, and then we'll go ahead and rule our chest line, our bust line, under bust line, waistline, and the length of the top. For you to get your chest line is equal to bust divided by 6 plus 0.5. So when you do that calculation, you're going to take your chest line. So I'll go ahead and take my bust point, which is 10. I'll rule a straight line, and then I'll also take my under bust measurement, which is 14. My waist measurement, that's full front length, is going to be 16.5, and then the full length of the top is going to be around 20 inches. So I'm going to be ruling a straight line now. The next thing to do is to go ahead and label them out, so you're going to know which one is which among the lines. So the next thing to do is to take your shoulder measurement, divide by 2, which is around 7 for me. 14 divided by 2 is 7. And then I'm going to be taking the same thing on my chest line, and then I'll rule a straight line across. So the next thing to do on that shoulder line is to go down by 1 inches and try to connect a slope to the neck point. Then we're going to take our bust radius. For me, my bust radius is 4. I'm going to take it on my under bust line, my waistline, and for my bust point, I'll go down by 2 inches, and then I'll rule a straight line to meet the top length measurement, and then I'll be trying to create a dart around that side using my waistline. So on both sides of the straight line on the waistline, I'll be taking 0.5 inches, and then I'll connect, as you can see I'm illustrating in the video. So for the neck, I'll be taking, since it's a square neck, I'll be taking 6 inches by 6 inches, but you can actually go in on the shoulder line by 2 inches. You're still going to get the same thing. And then it basically just depends on how wide you want your neck to be. So the next thing to do on your chest line is to take your bust measurement, divide by 4, and then we're going to be adding 2-inch allowance. So we're going to be using our curve rule to connect to form an armhole at that part, just like you can see I'm doing in the video. So we'll go ahead and do the same thing for our waist measurement, divide by 4. We're going to be replacing our dart and then adding 2-inch allowance. The same thing for the length of the top. We're going to be using our hip measurement, divide by 4, and then we're going to replace our dart and add 2-inch allowance. Then after that, we'll just go ahead and connect the points together. So guys, the next thing to do is to find the midpoint of our shoulder measurement, of our armhole measurement, and then use a curve rule to connect to meet the dart point. After that, we're just going to go ahead and look for the midpoint between the dart and the allowance measurement. We'll rule a straight line and then try to form a dart around that side by 0.5 inch on both sides. So if you don't want it as a square neck, you can actually turn it to have a curve at the square. You can make like 1 inch allowance at the angle of the neck and then connect with a curve rule to get like a circle shape at the neckline. So to get the basque shape, it actually depends on how deep you want it to be. You can decide to go by 2 inch or by 1 inch. For this particular tutorial, I'll be doing it by 1 inch, and then I'll connect to form a basque shape. So guys, as you can see, we're done with the tutorial. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please do well to subscribe, like this tutorial, share it, drop a comment of what you love to see in the next video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.